Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get into it. It's been maybe over a month now since I promised y'all that I would give the review on Kenra's Professional hair care products. Life was lifing, okay? So a lot went on, but now we're here and I'm ready to give my review. So my hair hasn't been washed in a little over a week now. You can see I have a lot of residue from the products I've used the last time. I'm going to start off with the Kenra ALLCURL cleansing rinse. So because of all this residue I have on my hair, I'm hoping that this will definitely help. With the directions, it says that apply desired amount to the roots and massage into wet hair, add water for lather, and then I'll follow up with the conditioner. Okay, so I am back, and if you haven't already and you're still here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. So I'm sectioning my hair into two because I find it easier to wash my hair this way. As the bottle says, it gives a light moisturization. Yeah, my hair is not really, I'm not getting that, you know, that silky soft consistency from this cleansing rinse. But what I'm going to do, it says to create the lather I need to add water. So I'm just going to apply more to my hair. You see it's not giving that much lather here. I don't even know if I'm using too much. Okay. So it says to massage it and add water to get that lather. So I don't know, maybe I need to wash my hair a second time to get that effect. It didn't create that much. And I applied a lot at the ends too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue washing my hair. I'm going to rinse and then come back with a second cleanse. Guys, my hair is so dry. Can't give up though, so we're going to go in with a second. I'm gonna see if this will work. I'm going to pour it in my hands and multiply it. Doesn't really give anything still. And we're getting a little lather there, okay. Okay, so I can say for the second wash, definitely got some lather. It's not a lot, but you know, it's okay for now. So I'm just going to finish off, wash this out, and then I'm going to test out the conditioner. Now that I'm done sectioning my hair, my hair looks so dry. I did not actually detangle my hair before I washed it, obviously, but the cleanser, I don't think the cleanser is my favorite so far. Okay, so let's go in with the conditioner. So it says that it gives medium moisture, medium definition. It has a very thick and creamy consistency, which I love about conditioners. Immediately, this actually is making my hair really soft. So that's good. I was a bit worried though. And it's melting right into my hair. It's actually soft. Wow, look. Okay. Okay. I think I love this. Wow. I can even finger detangle. Can you see the slip this conditioner is giving though? And say to you guys, you know, if your hair looks like this, you know, like, wow, it doesn't seem I added too much product to my hair, especially like the conditioner. What you can do, an easy hack, is to add a little water to your hair instead of adding more product. So just a little more water, and then you see where the product is actually showing up more. So the water actually helps to emulsify the product more, so you don't need to add more products. You know? Look at that. I would say that this conditioner is the best, or the best one I've tried so far, but it definitely helped my hair a lot. If you remember the before, how my hair was completely dry, a lot of curls, well, all the curls, and it wasn't detangled before, but this conditioner melted right into my hair, softened it, and it made detangling so easy. So I'm all done, and this is my favorite part. Unraveling my twist. The conditioner is not heavy. It's very lightweight though, which I love. It doesn't really matter to me. You see, from the conditioner, it has a thick, creamy consistency. It melts right into my hair, making it soft immediately. Then it's a win. So the conditioner, I must say, I love. Now it's time to rinse this out. My review on the conditioner, I'm going to give that like a 9 out of 10. My hair is still feeling soft. You can see a little bit of shine. I don't know if it's going to show on the phone, but looking at it, my hair is moisturized as well. I'm going to go in now with the ALLCURL Hydrating Leave-In. This is spray generous amount on damp hair, focusing on mid-length to end. Okay, so not gonna try to do it on the ends. Just gonna give it a quick shake. Okay, so let's see. This is definitely moisturizing. Says that it gives high moisture and medium definition. I have colored ends, so I'm spraying a lot here. You know, gotta protect the ends. Okay, I think that's enough because I don't want to use too much. You know, I'm going to style my hair afterwards using, I think it's the jelly that's there. I would give it maybe like a 8 out of 10. It does give the moisture, but I've tried other leave-in. I've gotten, you know, more moisture from them, but this is okay. I would definitely use this again. Hey guys, okay, welcome back. Now it's time to actually style my hair. 2 options I have are the ALLCURL Defining Jelly and the ALLCURL Lightweight Defining Cream. I'm actually going to do my hair like this. So basically I'm going to do like 2 strand twists. I'm going to do half of my hair with the jelly and half with the cream. And then we're going to see, you know, which one works, because these are very small and I don't think they can actually do my whole head. So first I'm just going to, well, my hair is already in too, so that's good. And for the directions, I already read them. It says to apply to damp hair. My hair is still wet, so I'm just going to section my hair into smaller sections, and And remember, I already applied the leave-in before, so I don't need to apply anything more. Okay, I think I'm going to do the cream on this side and the jelly on this. Or should I do the jelly? I'm going to do the jelly on this because this is really wet. So for this, it says it gives light moisture and high definition. But you can actually use this as a wash and go. So let's check the consistency. Okay, that's the amount I'm going to use. I'm not going to use too much because if I don't like it, I'm going to want to use it again. Okay, yeah, they're right about the moisture though. You know how some jelly, when you apply it to your hair, immediately you feel that silky thick consistency? With this, I don't. My hair feels a bit dry, especially at the end, so maybe I need to add some more. Okay. Yeah, it's still giving that dry feeling. I mean, the packet does say, you know, it gives the light moisture, so can't complain too much. All right, so after finger detangling, I'm just going to 2-strand twist my hair. You know, something quick and easy. I don't have a style in mind at the moment, so this is the quickest thing I can think of right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead, finish this section off, and then I will be back with the cream. Finished off the left side with the jelly. My hair still feels a bit dry, especially the ends. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out when it's dried, but I'm hoping for some definition. So now I'm going to use the lightweight defining cream. And first, we're going to start off with a smaller section. Yeah, it's definitely lightweight. It has a thick consistency as well. It's actually melting right into my hair. And my hair actually feels soft. Let me check. Okay, so it says medium moisture, so I guess that's why. So if I was doing like a wash and go, maybe I would use the cream. Okay, so I'm going to just 2-strand twist here. I'm going to finish off this side and then I will be back. And I'm actually loving the cream. My hair is so soft. I'm not getting that much shrinkage. Let me see if I can show you. I mean, they're the same, but you can see where shrinkage is happening over this side a little. So I'm thinking maybe when it's dried, it's going to maybe be up here. But let's see, you know, who knows? But I'm loving the shininess on my hair. The end still feels dry on this side with the jelly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dry my hair with the diffuser. Once my hair is dry, then I will show you guys the complete results. So again, I used the lightweight defining cream on my right, and I used the defining jelly on the left. Guys, I totally forgot a product, the ALLCURL sealing oil spray. So I'm actually supposed to spray this on my hair. So it can seal in, you know, the moisture. I'm gonna spray a lot on the ends here because, you know, it's very oily though. Oh my god, maybe I used too much here. And no, this side is not feeling dry as before. I'm going to do it on this side too. And getting the ends. So now that I used the final product from the box, I'm going to go ahead and dry my hair. I am back. I'm all through. So this side is the jelly. I'm actually loving the results, and this side is the cream, and I'm also loving the results. What I've noticed between the two is that with the cream, my hair is much softer. It does have shrinkage, but not a lot. With the jelly, my hair is soft, but the ends are a little bit dry, even though I used the sealing oil spray. For the cream, which is on the right side, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. I'm actually loving this product. It's just that I'm getting a whole lot of frizz, you know. However, my hair is so soft, and if you remember before, I was talking about my ends are still soft, and I'm loving that. It doesn't leave any, you know, white residue on my hair. For the jelly, which is on the left side, I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. I think we need a bigger tube for the jelly, because you need to use a lot for this. And also, my ends are still dry. It does say it gives them light moisture, so I don't really like that about the jelly at all. And that's it. Basically, that's it. I don't have any other issues with the jelly, but I'm loving it. I don't have problems with shrinkage. I love shrinkage. And aside from that, I will definitely be using these again. I know that the jelly can't do my whole hair, neither the cream, so I may use both of them at the same time, just like this. Anyways, let me know your thoughts, if you are a fan of the jelly or if you are a fan of the cream. So this is it from me, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video with a friend. Until next time.